So guys, I wanted to share with you how important having these little stickers here that I put on the buttons, the shifter buttons. I'm a huge fan of these. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to pop these off and show you how underneath it's perfect shape. Because so many people, after months even, of a brand new car, said the buttons are wearing off. And this car is almost 2 years old. I want to show you. So I'm going ahead and starting to remove these. They come off really easy. You can see there, not really much residue. I'll take some cleaner and clean that off. And you can see there's an outline where the word is because there's not really any tape on it. Okay, I'll go work on these. These are a little harder because I can't really get my finger in just because of the way they're angled. So I'm going to have to take like maybe a credit card or something to slide under the piece of it. I tried doing this for a while and those ones are a little hard to get off. So let me go ahead and take them off really quick. Okay, so I started getting my finger underneath that one and just popped it up using a card. Same thing. What I like about it is the window where you see the letter, they're not glued. That was people's concern, saying that when you go take them off, it's going to rip the paint off. It doesn't. This one's going to be hard. Let me go ahead and take that off. Okay, so check that out. Now I'm just taking some 303 aerospace. You guys know I like that stuff. And I'm going to wipe the buttons down just to get any residual off that's on there. Look at that. Looks brand new. Like I said, this is over a year and a half old. So I highly recommend you use these button covers. You know, it'll avoid you having the missing paint on the buttons or having to replace the buttons itself. Very easy. And it will not damage it. So I wanted to share that with you guys because people were wondering, and I was kind of wondering at the same time if it would rip them off. But look at that. Looks brand new. You just clean it up afterwards, you're good to go. Okay? Hope that helps you guys out. I'll catch you guys on the next one.